2.
3, 2, 1. Hey, good morning, and this is Mike and LV in Raleigh, North Carolina, actually Wilson. So I want to go over a few things about in and around the pail using traditional window cleaning techniques that have been used in this business for over 35 years. I know there's other ways of doing it. However, this is one thing you need to do. You need to learn, especially when you're working on the insides of a residential. So basic equipment. We have a razor here, 6-inch, and a small squeegee. 22-inch squeegee, 12-inch, a couple of scrubbers, and we use Dawn. Put a squirt like that in there, not too much. You can always put more in later. When you put the water in, agitate it around, clean your brush off a little bit. Now basically what I want to talk to you about is getting the appropriate amount of water on the glass for the situation that you're in, and also to manage your water around the pail. You don't want a lot of drips. You don't want a lot of mess on the inside. When you're doing the outside, even a commercial job, commercial or residential, you want to agitate your water, and you got a full mop. To change the flow of direction of the water, you can just turn it the other way. That'll keep the water in without having to squeeze it. So then you go right to the glass. Now, in lesser amounts of water, agitate it up, squeeze the ends. You got 0 drips. If you're working on the inside of a commercial job, this is a good application for that. If you're on the inside of a residential and you need to travel a little bit to the window, your soap is all used up, so you take that and you dip it in just a little bit. You notice it's dripping. Turn it like this. You got 0 drips, 0 tolerance of water on the floor. Now for a medium-sized amount of water on the insides, you just squeeze it out a little more thoroughly. Try not to leave a trail which way you're walking across the rooms. That's not cool. So that's about it for now. Keep with us, and we will talk to you soon.